Sister wives, Mary best post weight loss fashion wins and Robin worst fashion fails. And Janelle Brown shares her summer plans. Is she moving closer to Maddi? I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Sister wives, star Mary Brown's spiritual union with Kody Brown failed, but she winning the fashion war, especially when she compared to her nemesis, Robin Brown. For years, the two women were friendly with each other, but something always stood between them. An increasingly cranky patriarch who ultimately loved only Robin. Now that Mary free, she's slimmer and more glamorous. In fact, she looks years younger after cutting ties with a man who never, ever treated her well. Sister Wives, Season 18 showed Kody battling his soon-to-be exes, Mary, Janelle, and Christine Brown. He could not hide his love for Robin, and his devotion to her created so much tension. A trio of unloved wives were subject to some emotional wear and tear. They looked exhausted, and didn't seem to be prioritizing diet and exercise. Kody was draining the energy from these women, all of whom went out of their way to try and make things work with him. Robin typically goes for old-fashioned style with strong grandma vibes. Kody, queen and true love, likes beige patterns and synthetic fabrics, and doesn't do high glam makeup. However, when she deviates from the norm, things get even worse. In the post shown above, Robin showcases a questionable baseball cap encrusted with fox gemstones. The bedazzled effect definitely overpowers her delicate facial features and coloring. Robin doesn't need bling on a hat. This design doesn't really look like it's her style. Kody, queen, should ditch this ersatz crown. What would suit Robin? She petite with dark hair and fair skin, so a pretty red dress would look fabulous. Her snow white coloring is perfect for bold colors with a lot of graphic punch. Examples include scarlet, winter white, and basic black. A fitted dress in one of these colors would look amazing. Robin should also try a bolder lip color. A subtle stain or glass in ruby or magenta would be so flattering, showing off the beauty of her pale complexion. Robin doesn't need a lot of makeup, but a bit more color on her lips would be great. There may be religious reasons why she keeps her makeup on the subtle side. However, she does wear makeup. Using a pigmented lipstick with a lot of color payoff would brighten up her face in an instant. Right now, she seems to focus on making up her eyes. Mary is a vision in pink. In the Instagram post shown above, she glowed in warm pastel pink. The top was simple enough. It was the color that was special. It was the perfect pink for Mary coloring. Her medium-toned complexion has yellow undertones, and the warm rosy hue blends beautifully with her skin tone. Mary looked so radiant in this shot that the picture went viral. This is one of Mary's best photos. The picture was taken on Thanksgiving, and Mary posed with an adorable little boy. It was a happy time in her life. This was before Garrison Brown passed away. See some moving moments featuring Garrison in the clip shown above. Soon enough, Mary's pretty eyes would fill with tears. She misses Garrison so much. Mary honors Garrison on her Instagram, and her words and pictures are so poignant. Robin's ongoing penchant for print blouses is a fashion misstep. Sure, the Sister Wives star should wear what she wants, but she might look better in simpler clothes. The patterns are a little bit distracting. Robin a petite woman, and sometimes these matronly tops make her look bigger than she actually is. Of all the Brown women, well, Christine changed her name, so her surname is Woolley now. Robin seems to be the most willing to really embrace modesty. She doesn't show a lot of skin. It's rare to even see Robin bare legs. There are so many things that make Mary beautiful, including stunning blue eyes and smooth, tanned skin. Both were on display in the Instagram post shown above. In this photo, Mary was hanging out with a pal. Both looked so fresh and rested. They held mugs with this message printed on them. Permission to offend. Mary didn't really dress up a lot while she was with Cody. She preferred casual clothes that were sometimes a bit drab, such as hoodies in dull tones. Now, she coming out of her shell with fancier ensembles that show her optimistic and brave spirit. She almost ready to launch her Worthy Up platform, she taking a risk, hopefully for a big reward. This is a woman who deserves good luck. She had some tough times. Mary playing the odds, and hoping to make a big success of her new enterprise. Worthy Up is a place where Mary will share her self-love journey. She spent years discovering who she is and learning how to love herself. Since it's a collaborative space, anyone can visit to learn more about building self-esteem. Her platform launched May 6th. When it comes to fashion, Mary can always bet on red. She looks fabulous in the rich and vibrant shade. Robin isn't really into modern style, even if it's on the classic side. However, Mary channels some preppy J. Crew vibes while wearing a fun shirt featuring bold black and white stripes. In the Instagram post shown above, she flaunted a cute smartwatch that added to the cool and current vibes. Mary really got her style together right now. She has a very flattering haircut. Her skin is seemingly flawless. Yes, Mary uses filters sometimes, but her complexion fantastic with or without filters. Also, her makeup looks very good. Mary tends to use cosmetics to highlight the beauty of her eyes. They're a piercing blue, and the eyeshadow, eyeliner and mascara she uses. She also grooms her brows, call attention to her truly beautiful baby blues. This outfit succeeds because it's simple. The stripes are the focus, but Mary wears this top, it doesn't wear her. She looks chilled out minus comfortable and ready for anything. Mary has said that she likes to pull on a baseball cap sometimes and get things done. She doesn't always want fussy fashion, and a lot of women can probably relate to that. Also, women look really cute when they're dressed down. Real Housewives types overdo it with fashion. There are too many designer logos, too much makeup, sky-high heels. It's just overkill. In casual outfits, Mary seems so relaxed. She often photographed in hoodies, so she clearly enjoys wearing basic stuff that she can move around in. Mary works hard. She needs practical clothes. While it's fun, when she dresses up, her tops are usually simple cotton designs. She doesn't go for really fussy and elaborate outfits unless it's some kind of special occasion. Robin and Mary are different, so it's no surprise that their images are different too. Mary about branching out. In fact, as of late, the reality star showing remarkable courage. She digging in and building the life of her dreams. Conversely, Robin living the same life she always did, minus 3 other sister wives. Since Robin had Cody to herself so much before Mary, Janelle and Christine left, her life really didn't change that much. It just seemed that way to others. Mary a trailblazer. The sister wives star, who often seemed meek and timid, has been evolving. She's stronger after challenging experiences that shaped her mindset and honed her ambitions to a fine point. Mary wants a good life that includes business success, and she doing all that she can to make that goal a reality. She can do it. While Mary reaches for the stars, she dressing like a leading lady. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown had her summer holiday planned well in advance and hinted at moving closer to her daughter Madison Brush. Cody Brown and his wives, Mary, Janelle, Christine, and Robin Brown, spent the better part of the last 2 decades giving the viewers an inside look at their family lifestyle, including heartbreaking moments such as the Flagstaff move, which perhaps tore the Brown family unit apart. Janelle was Cody's second wife, whom they clicked thanks to their spiritual and intellectual compatibility, as Cody described it. Initially, sister wives, in an attempt to normalize polygamy, presented Cody as someone who loved being in a plural family. However, cracks started showing when Cody strategically created family turmoil and chaos among Mary, Christine, and Janelle while protecting Robin. The family patriarch was overwhelmed trying to balance the four relationships, and the only way he could do so was by creating some level of distrust among his wives. Janelle was the most independent of the wives. Notably, she was also verbal about the unequal treatment the sister wives received from Cody before finally leaving him in 2022. The Sister Wives star has been having an incredible time in North Carolina. Janelle had a reason to be grateful on May 5th, celebrating her 55th birthday a day earlier. She posted a picture of her outdoor gardening area in North Carolina, where the Sister Wives cast member spends most of her time away from her home in Flagstaff. Janelle uploaded a picture of herself with Muddy and her husband, Caleb Brush, and Christine children, Aspen and Peden Brown, during their trip to Tryon Palace. Although they are no longer married to Cody, Janelle and Christine have maintained a close relationship, mainly because Christine cared for Janelle's children while she worked. It was nice to see Janelle smiling, and it's impressive how close he is to Christine's kids. Nothing like a beautiful family to make you smile, wrote one fan. Seeing you smiling warms my soul, another Instagram user chimed in. Janelle recently celebrated her 55th birthday and hinted at staying closer to her daughter Muddy during the summer. Cody's ex-wife spent her birthday with family, reconnecting and reposting birthday wishes from friends and family on her Instagram page. Janelle also shared a picture of herself sitting in front of what seemed to be a homemade birthday chocolate cake made by Muddy on her Instagram stories, with the caption, "A little red face, from working in the garden." It's the first birthday the Sister Wives cast member has celebrated since the passing of her son, Garrison Brown, on March 5th. The Sister Wives star has been on a healing journey since Garson's death, with Janelle giving an update on Garrison's furry friends. She posted a cute picture of the cats on her Instagram, stating that Garrison cats live with different family members who care for them. Janelle also witnessed the solar eclipse with Logan and Michelle Brown. She noted how they plan to watch the solar eclipse excursion at Michelle's dad's place in Arkansas. In the same Instagram post, Janelle said they might plan on chasing the next total solar eclipse in Spain, which will happen in 2026. It has been a few challenging months for Janelle since Garrison's death. The Brown family is estranged since Christine, Janelle, and Mary split from the family patriarch. In April, Janelle honored her son on what would have been his 26th birthday with a touching tribute, indicating how much she and the family missed him. The grieving mom of 6 shared videos and photos of Garrison with a touching message to mark the day, with the last picture in. The video showing Janelle holding a cake and a young Garrison looking at her smiling. Since Garrison's death, Janelle has kept her social media followers updated on how she is doing, and spoke about how much comfort she has found in her faith. Cody presumed favoritism towards Robin, his fourth and remaining wife, perhaps caused a rift in the family, leading to conflict between Cody and his older kids, including Garrison and Gabrielle, which was well documented in Sister Wives. However, Janelle seemed to be faring along pretty well and had a few plans for how she would be doing during her summer holiday. "I'll be spending a lot of the summer in it with Muddy, Caleb, and the kids, so Muddy and I have made big plans for a garden. I am looking forward to learning how to grow veggies in a climate that has such a long season and way more moisture than I am used to." She said it was the last planting season phase, and didn't want to miss out. That created speculation regarding Janelle moving closer to Muddy to take care of the garden. She shared a video of herself in the garden showing planter boxes, noting she's spending most of her summer with Muddy and the kids. Janelle recently started a new business venture, Teda Farms, and seems passionate about farming. Gardening might be a good hobby for Janelle to try, which could offer her some comfort. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.